our sugar mix, which is granulated sugar and brown sugar. We're going to beat those for 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. We're creating air essentially. So let's get started. Bam. Fantastic. Great. Now let's crack some eggs in. 2 eggs. Ready? Crack.
Another one.
And now, blend. Oil, vanilla. Splash. Splish splash. So see how the batter is smooth and it's a lot more aerated? That's what you're looking for. Now, we're going to add our dry mixture. Here I have flour, pumpkin spice, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Let's not blend this in because we don't want to form any toughness and develop any glue. So all we're going to do is fold everything in. Wait, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, sprinkle in. And fold. Fold, fold. Fold everything together. So now let's add our sour cream. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. And then the rest of your dry ingredients. Or third. I personally love to bake with sourdough discard. So I'm going to get about a 1/4 cup of this. So this is, if you're making like sourdough bread at home, just take a bit of your discard, nub it in. Just a bit. That's all it is. Okay. Bam. More blending. Okay, let's get the party started and put this in the pan. Get your streusel ready, which is basically the crummy mixture in your cupcake that you eat. So, streusel. I'm gonna put half. Wait. What? Half in. it's time to dance. Goodbye. Let me look it up. Ding! See ya! Peace. Okay, the coffee cake's ready, and I'm excited, and I'm nervous, because this is like the 5th coffee cake I've made. And let's see if it's good or not. So, take a test. I have my coffee cake with coffee. Inside, there's coffee inside this one. And my coffee. I like it! Okay, so I'm actually happy with this one. Usually I'm not happy with the things I bake, but this one I'm happy with. So, yay! Dance party! Okay, good morning and have a good day. Bye.